G'day guys, Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. Now this is the table that we glued earlier. The veneer had totally and utterly lifted, and you can see we've got cracks down here. This had completely opened out. She was really bad. You can see the cardboard which is stuck, so I'm going to let that set really nice and hard, and then just a little bit of sandpaper will take that off and you won't even see the crack. But we've got a few cracks through here. So what I'm going to do is show you how we handle this type of thing. So this is just basically a woodwork glue. So we get the old woodwork glue, we put it on. We'll work this into the cracks. And then we get the old sandpaper. What'll happen is the actual sawdust will go inside that crack and it will actually embed itself into the glue. And you actually, even though you can physically see it, you can't feel it. It's incredible, isn't it? Just something so simple. There's another little gap here. So we'll just put a tiny little bit of glue on there. We'll work that in with the hand. We'll get a bit of sawdust started up. We'll move it up onto it. You wouldn't even know it was there, would you? So that's just a little hint that we do. And that way you just can't even feel it. But you can see it, but by the time we oil it, I like to use the timber a little bit aged, because it'll go in, because it'll then add a little bit the same colour timber into the glue. So some like it a bit different, but that's come up well. So good luck with you all. Again, it looks, you can hardly feel it. So that's pretty good, isn't it? And then when it's set, you just sand it back and Bob's your uncle. So, something simple. A bit of woodwork glue, sandpaper, and the old table. Bob's your uncle. Well done. Thank you and good luck.